What's up, you guys? Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes, and it has been a while since I've done a new construction video. Aren't you guys glad that you're still here watching my channel to see this? Guys, this is amazing. The news that I just found out that Toll Brothers is coming to Lawrenceville, Georgia. And I know a lot of people like Toll Brothers because of the type of homes, the features that are in these homes, some of the top materials. What you would consider luxury upgrades in other homes are considered standard upgrades with Toll Brothers. And right here you can see there's two homes that are being built right now, so it's just now breaking ground. You look on the website, it says coming soon, so any day now they're going to be going up for sale. And we haven't had Toll Brothers come to this area in a very long time. I can't remember the last time, if at all, in Lawrenceville. And it's in the best part of Lawrenceville, guys. This is right here, Peachtree Ridge High School District, close to Highway 316, Interstate 85, Sugarloaf Parkway. You guys are gonna love this area, so let's come check out what this incredible community has to offer. Hey guys, Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes here, and yes, this is another new construction home tour, and this is with Toll Brothers' new community called Ledgestone that's going to be breaking ground, actually already broken ground, and I believe they're going to start selling in January of 2026, and this is located in Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is a big deal. Why? Well, one, it's a renowned builder. A lot of people know Toll Brothers to be some of the best in terms of material quality and the different kinds of design options you can choose from. And secondly, the fact that this is in Lawrenceville, right in the heart of Gwinnett County, when typically in the last several years here in Metro Atlanta, a lot of the Toll Brothers communities have been over on the northwest Metro Atlanta area, such as Cumming and Woodstock, areas like that. But here you have the opportunity to buy an incredibly great location and school district. Now, some may say, well, Lawrenceville is not the most sought after area. Why can't it be in Johns Creek or Alpharetta or Suwanee? Well, I would say that still this is a great location because in Lawrenceville, the best school district is Peachtree Ridge High School, and this is exactly where this community Ledgestone is being built. Now you're probably wondering what are the prices, and you're probably thinking, Tim, please don't tell me it's over $1 million. Well, actually it is. So if you're looking for a home to purchase, just expect that these are home prices that are over $1 million. But again, this is the top tier new construction and in a very prime location and school district. And for those that are watching, some of you may be out of state, coming from the West Coast or New York City, where you're trying to put your money into an investment, into a long-term holding spot where you can call it home, and this is one of the best. And when I say the location is prime, it truly is prime. You can see on this map here how many different places and things to do are so close in proximity to this community that are probably 5, if not 10 minutes away. And it's in all directions. You've got different restaurants like Pappadeaux's and Chick-fil-A, Luciano's, Kitchen 121. Gwinnett Technical College is nearby, Gas South Arena, where there's tons of concerts and festivals and events that are taking place there, as well as a Kroger and AMC movie theater, fitness center, Northside Hospital, Collins Hill Park, H Mart in Duluth. I mean, the list goes on. And I can't forget to mention Dave & Buster's, Medieval Times, LA Fitness, and Sugarloaf Mills Mall. It's also close to the Interstate 85, which if you need to go downtown for business trips or a sporting event like the Atlanta Hawks basketball team or the Atlanta Falcons football team, well, you can get there just a straight shot down the interstate and then come right back. You don't have to beat the suburban traffic with the arterial roads where it can also be crowded. In this community, there will be a total of 82 home lots, so 82 opportunities. And they have incredible amenities. You're gonna see a swimming pool, cabana, clubhouse, a bocce court, a fire pit, and a playground. So very family friendly and a lot of things to do within the community itself. They have different floor plans such as the Peterson, the Rosalind, and the Donington. And these are all 5-bedroom single family homes. The first floor plan, Peterson, is 5-bedroom and 5 bathrooms, and it's 3,674 square feet. The Rosalind is 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and is 3,836 square feet. And Donington is 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom with 4,247 square feet. These are all 3-car garage homes. So you've got a lot going for the homes inside and out. And you can see that they've just broke ground not too long ago, and they have 2 homes that are being built. So very soon they're gonna start selling. If you need an agent to represent you on the buyer side, I'd be happy to help you. And if you're wondering the new construction buying process, what that's all about, be sure to check out my part 1 and part 2 videos that I did a while back now, but they're still very much relevant to today on how to buy a new construction home, because it's a very different process than resale and there's a lot more steps involved. So hopefully, if you're interested, give me a call. Love to work with you. Catch you on the next video.